Hello guys, welcome to another video from Artikills. Today I am going to show you how you can use Google Keyword Planner without creating an ad or running a campaign. Actually nowadays, Google has made it compulsory to create an ad or run a campaign in order to use Google Keyword Planner. But there is a cool hack to it, by which you can use Google Keyword Planner without running an ad or creating a campaign. It is very essential for a blogger or a content writer to search for important keywords for his or her blog. So let's check it out. Screen. Now let's move to our Chrome browser and type here Google Adwords in the search bar. As you know, Google Keyword Planner is present in Google Adwords. Now, here the option is ads.google.com, the second option after the ad. Just click there. Now, this is the interface of Google AdWords, right? So, you can just move on to the sign in option and click there. Now, there are various accounts which you have used to log in beforehand. Now, let's start fresh with use another account. Type in your mail ID and select next, then enter your password and select next. Okay, now you can use to any switch Google account, or you can add new Google Ads account, right? So it is getting started. So this is the interface of Google AdWords. Now here it is asking for new campaign, right? So here there are three options: get more calls, get more website sales or sign up, get more visit to your physical location, and next. You are advised to not click on any of the three options. Just go below and click on this switch to expert mode, right? Okay, so here option will be seen here: sales, leads, website traffic. These are the various objectives or various things you need to check about Google Ads, right? So you need not click any of these options present here and just switch over to create an account without a campaign. Is it there at the bottom? Select it. So now you just fill in your details. Actually it is by default our country is India, then the time zone is India time zone, and the currency is INR. So everything is done. So let's click on submit. Okay, so now it's showing congrats, you're all done. Means we have created a Google AdWords account without creating an ad. So now click on explore your campaign. So this is your dashboard of your Google AdWords account, right? Here on this tools and settings, you can see keyword planner. Click on that. Okay, try your now. So now there are two things. One is discover new keywords and another is get search volume and focus. Go to discover new keywords, and now here it will show a guide how to use it. You can turn it off. Okay, now so here I have typed my keyword web series, and here you can click on get results. Okay, so here getting all the results related to web series. By this you can get to know more about the keyword you want to use for your content writing. So you have learned how to use Google Keyword Planner without creating an ad or without running a campaign. Thank you for joining.